Hello everyone, I'm Helen from Vietnam, China. Today we are going to ship 3 sets of Nissan Leaf batteries to Canada. 2 are for 50 kWh battery modules for Nissan Leaf AZE0, and 1 is for the 62 kWh battery pack, also is for Nissan Leaf AZE0. Let's first check the modules. You can find a total 4 big modules for one vehicle. All the accessories are packed in the wooden box. We had reprogrammed the BMS according to the car information, which will install the new battery modules. These 4 big modules are also the 50 kWh. These are all for another vehicle. This BMS is also reprogrammed according to the car information, which will install the new battery modules. Let's check inside of the 62 kWh battery pack. Total 6 big modules. All the modules have already been assembled in the battery case before shipping. You can find the layout is neat and tidy. All the copper bar had already been wrapped with heat shrink tubes to avoid insulation fault later. We had also reprogrammed the BMS, and the reprogrammed BMS had already installed in the whole battery pack. So after customer receive and installed to his car, it will display the whole correct new mileages and no turtle appears. For the whole battery pack, it is plug and play. Now the 3 sets are all well packed now and ready for delivery.